Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to another new video. In our previous video we designed our home page. Actually I don't want this area, so I want to customize the page and remove that section. So we have to go to the widget, its footer. I think we should go to the dashboard and then we should change it. If we change it from our dashboard, then it will be more easy. So I'll go to appearances widget, okay, sidebar post, single product area, below content footer. The content is loading. Okay, I will remove this part. Okay, now it's cool. Then I will below content, I will remove also this part because I don't need any below content there, so I remove them. Single product custom area, okay, I will add another picture, Bikash Rocket Nagad, and we will take an image from here. Good looking image actually. This is a good image. We will upload that image here. mm, Insert, add media, select photo. I will select that image. Is inventive. Okay, caption, description also is inventive. Sorry for the interruption. Actually, I'm doing some of my official work. That's why I have to interrupt them. Okay, I change it. Guaranteed is inventive, and we will write something. Will get all of your product access by email. You will get 24/7 SUPPORT support, and you can get your product in you can get your product from our office. So now we will update it. After update this, we'll go to our service page. Oh, bd.age inventive. Oh, what is happening with me actually? www. Okay, we came here and we'll go to our product. After go to our product, now we can see that. Okay, now it's showing age inventive. It's working perfectly, and it's look very good, very good. I love this actually. Okay, now we have to edit this request a call button for this floating button model content. WP form ID true description request a callback. Okay, WP form. I have to add all WP form. Create your form. Uh, Simple contract form. I will add them. Okay. Okay, save, and I will copy. I will copy the embedded. Okay, the field is set up, and I will now cut it and go to our home page. Okay, this is our ID, and I will WP form ID 6720 6720 6720 600. Now I will click on reload button. I will click there and I will get a contract from here, and the contract form is not so good, so I will edit this form and make it more good. So let's do it. Okay, so what can I do is we just need advance. Field size is large, field size should be large, then I think it looks good, then large. Okay, large. Okay, so that's a lot about our today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. In our next video, we'll show you the next procedure.